Hi, I'm Ray Chen. Thank you for watching my story. When I first came to America with my mother, we used to live in a small bedroom with a shared bathroom. My mother walked to work and I rode a bicycle to work after school. Nonetheless, we were very happy because we had each other. I got started in real estate 20 plus years ago, straight out of the army. I went to Coldwell Banker, the office manager Bob. He was an ex-LAPD. He gave me a phone book and told me to call on the numbers. I still remembered calling around 6 p.m. A guy picked up the phone and he sounded really pissed off. He yelled at me for interrupting his dinner. I was a little shaken up. It wasn't good. Back then, I did not even have enough money to pay gas for my old beat up Nissan. I kept trying. I kept working on real estate with some success until the 2008 financial crisis came around. Many buyers did not qualify for a loan, but still bought a home. By then, many of these homeowners are underwater. Like some of the investors at the time, I thought it may be a good time to buy. I tried using credit cards to finance the home purchase, but it didn't work out. That is when I racked up over $150,000 of credit card debt. And it took me 2 years working 12 hours a day, every single day to repay it. With persistency, hard work, and the help of mentors, and spending hundreds and thousands of dollars on real estate coaching, fast forward to today, I have done hundreds of real estate transactions from buy to sell and flip to hold, with total volume exceeding $100 million. I married my wife Miu Miu. My mother and my father live with me. My dad enjoys gardening, and my mom loves working in the kitchen and feeding the cats. It's so satisfying to see them enjoying life, which would not have been possible without my clients who have enabled my real estate career.